More Media Records was a perfect fit for me. Got me right into the demo services manager position, and it's been great ever since. So I get excited about, having to work with all styles of music, kind of broaden my spectrum of expertise, and like BCA 421, the advanced audio production, really helped me for the role. It really got me into Pro Tools and learning how to use it efficiently and how to mic things up as well. Whenever there was something like wrong. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, well, at the beginning it was like really hard to figure out, but like going through that and learning how to use everything, it's just kind of like not a problem anymore. It's just easy fixes now. It's basically just a confidence thing at this point, because it was right when I started, just very low confidence, and then just slowly started building up and just progressing. The audio program at CMU I think is a pretty often overlooked part of the BCA program, because we have access to that studio, and that studio is really nice. Most people learning don't have a studio like that. It's a really cool opportunity, and people take it for granted.